No tools, no money, only what was thrown away. The goal is clear. Build a weather-resistant survival shelter using nothing but this scrap. Before lifting a single piece, you plan. In survival, planning saves precious energy. A quick sketch in the dirt is the map. Discarded pallets and old branches become the frame, lashed together with forgotten rope. Stability first, then the walls. Layers of cardboard, plastic, even old clothes. Trash becomes insulation, a barrier against the cold. Bottles are wedged into gaps, blocking the wind. The roof is a patchwork of metal and plastic sheeting, angled perfectly to shed rain and weighted with stones. Water is the enemy. Inside, it's about the essentials: a raised platform to sleep on, a wind block at the door. It's dry, it's warm, it's hidden. As night falls and the rain begins, the shelter holds. It's a testament that survival is about adaptation, not perfection. So, would this shelter keep you alive?